for, which is vehicle passing through a junction on a busy road follows a Poisson distribution at a rate of 300 vehicles per hour. Now, we will look on how to solve all the questions stated in there. For the first question, find the probability that at least one vehicle will pass through the junction in a given minute. I start by taking out all the information given, which is Poisson distribution at a rate 300 vehicles per hour. I divide 300 with 60 to know how many vehicles pass through the junction per minute. And the answer is 5 vehicles. From the division, I change the x variable to vehicle pass through a busy junction per hour to per minute. To solve the question, I use the formula e power of negative 5 multiply 5 power of 0 and divide 0 factorial. I get e power of negative 5, and from that I will get 0.0067379. Since we want to know the probability that at least one vehicle will pass through the junction in a given minute, I will minus 1 with 0.0067379. And the answer that we will get is 0.9933. Now, we will look at second question, which is how many vehicles are expected to pass through the junction in 3 minutes. Since we already know that 5 vehicles will pass per minute, we only need to multiply 3 minutes with 5 vehicles, and the final answer that we will get is 15 vehicles. For the final question, using a suitable approximation, find the probability that at most 80 vehicles will pass through the junction in half an hour. Since for an hour Poisson distribution at rate 300 vehicle, I divide 300 with 1/2 which is equal to 150. From it, I set 30-minute Poisson distribution using the same way, and the final answer will be 150. I choose approximate it to normal distribution since it fulfills all the requirements needed. Using the normal distribution formula, I did P x bigger than 80, where P x bigger than 80 plus 0.5. The reason 80 plus 0.5 is following the rule that is used when changing discrete to continuous. So, P x bigger than 80.5. P bigger than 80.5 equal to P z bigger than 80.5 minus 150 divide with square root 150. We will get P z bigger than negative 5.675. It will be 0.000, and the main reason is when the answer is bigger than the range that is in the table, it will be 0. That is all from me. Thank you.